Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this humidifier. This is a really nice humidifier because it actually does the warm or the cool mist, so it can be good all year round. It is pretty self-explanatory as far as how to use it, but we are going to show you all the pieces. It has a nice little carrying handle right here, so you can easily take this to go fill it up because it does fill from the bottom. You just simply take the top off, you fill it up, you've got a nice fillable line right here. This is a 2.64 gallon or 10 liter water right here. Then on your top, you actually just simply put this base right in here. And then you also have an aromatherapy. If you did want to add a couple drops of essential oil on top of the mist, you can add a really nice smell. So I'm going to get this hooked up. This has lights that will also show your different ambient lights on here. You've got timer functions and mist settings, all the things. So I am going to get this put together. We're going to fill it up and we are going to watch this thing in action. So here's the humidifier up close. I went ahead and added your water, as you can see the line right there. It does have this nice little base plate to set this in. So we are going to set this in here and then it just locks down in place. And now it has a nice little base that it is also sitting on. Then we will add in our top part here. Here you've got your little water filter that's going to bring that up to the top. And then we will just set this down in here. And now you've got this really sleek looking design that is going to be great for any room because it's nice and small as far as your footprint. But this thing will cover 500 square feet. And it'll run for about 60 hours on one fill up, just at your normal level of setting. So let's get this thing turned on. So now I've got this all filled up and you can either turn it on with your remote or by hand. So we're just going to go ahead and kick that on. And it kicks on and it shows your current temperature along with your humidity. Then your thing actually has where you can change your mist volume. So up here at the top, I mean, that is coming out good. Now it is set at the low. You can put it at medium or at high. And then your smoke, I mean, that is coming out big at a high setting. If you did want to just customize your humidity versus control it by your fan speed, you can easily do that just by customizing your humidity here. And then it goes all the way up to 95%. And there it goes. So that is really, really nice. And then of course you have your UV lamp and your cool mist settings and your warm mist settings. But this is all pumping out of here so nice out of this little top area here. And you can rotate this around. So that is really nice that you can then move this however you're needing it to be over there. This is a nice little humidifier that would be great in any room.